Hey guys, welcome to CraXoid, and today in this video I will show you how can you easily install MIUI global beta version 8.12.6 on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro. So let's start. First of all, I will show you here I'm in MIUI global 10.0.4 stable version right now, and I'm going from stable to beta version. Before proceeding to our main steps, I will request you to guys please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That will be very helpful for us. First of all guys, make sure that you have unlocked the bootloader of your phone, and then after install custom recovery TWRP on your phone. And if you don't know how to install TWRP and how to unlock your bootloader, then I have made a separate video about it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description so that you can easily install TWRP on your phone. So first of all, make sure you have installed TWRP on your phone. Then you have to download a ROM zip file. I'll provide the link in the description so that you can easily download the ROM zip file from the description below. After installing custom recovery TWRP on your phone, simply power off your phone first of all, and then press power button and volume up button simultaneously for about 5 seconds, and then your MI logo will appear and your phone will reboot to custom recovery mode, that is TWRP mode. This is TWRP interface, and simply click on wipe button here and click on advanced wipe and select Dalvik cache data system vendor. Make sure guys you have unchecked the internal storage. As you can see on the screen, I have unchecked my internal storage, and then just swipe. Then go back, click on install and search for the downloaded zip file which I told you earlier to download. And I have my zip file in this folder. Here you can see this is the zip file written 8.12.6, and simply click on it and just swipe. And you can see the process completed here. Simply click on wipe cache Dalvik and swipe, and click on reboot system and then swipe, and your phone will reboot here, and it will take some little bit of time. Okay, this is the simple login process. Just complete this process. Booting process completed here. Simply open it, open the phone, and you can see this kind of interface as similar to your stable version. And now this is your global beta version 8.12.6. And let's go to the setting, go to about phone, and you can see this follow us option is changed some kind, and you can see the device name and MIUI version here, MIUI 10 8.12.6 beta, as you can see on the screen. Let's go to the system update, and here you can see no updates available right now, and we are in MIUI 10 8.12.6 weekly update. We can see a little bit of change in our recent panel. As you can see here, there is little bit of change in our recent panel here. Let's check the camera setting. Either AI mode is available or not, and 4K recording also. And here you can see in our camera there is no any AI mode available right now, only HDR mode is available. In our video setting also, here you can see in our video setting there is no any 4K recording available right now, only 1080p is available. So in this way you can install Beta Rom 8.12.6 on your Redmi Note 5 Pro. You can use this method to install any kind of stock ROM, custom ROM, or any kind of beta ROM also. So that's it for today guys, hope you like this video, and if you like, just click on like button, and if you have any kind of problem, just comment down. I would surely reply your comment, and don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, see you in my next video. Okay, bye.